Hello, my beautiful ladies. Today we're going to loosen up our upper body. I know in our day-to-day lifestyle we are very restricted up here. Don't do much up here. We walk, we use our legs a lot, but the arms we might be able to express it, but right here we don't do that much. So I think our body needs it today. So get ready, dress comfortably, and come and dance with me. Deep breath in, breathe out. Good. Let's start with a shoulder roll. I'm going to go right, left, right, and left. Good. Make it big. Make big circle up and over. I'm going to kind of step out to the right side as you do your right shoulder up and over, then left. So a little kind of plie down and up. Plie down and up. Down and up. That's it. And roll. Okay, so we're going to bring our hands on our elbows, shoulders, but making a circle with the elbows. Up and over. Down and up. Down and up. And reach out. Right. Left. Really reach. I want you to feel a little slide that's going on to your chest, ribcage area. Boom. And slide. Okay, bring your shoulders all the way up to the ears and now all the way down, 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 down. Breathe in now. Out. Shoulders all the way up, all the way down, 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 down. Breathe in. Up. Out. Shoulders up, all the way down, 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 down. Roll again, right, left. All right, we're going to do some shoulder rolls as you hinge. And going down. Keep your back straight. Hinge, tailbone to the back. Roll it up. Forward. Shoulder roll forward. And hinge. Roll up. One more time, let's do that again. Keep your back straight, neck aligned with the spine. Roll up. Shoulders lift all the way up and all the way down, down, down. And lift all the way up, 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 and down, down, down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, we're going to round the spine. Bring your arms to the front. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And relax. Normal breathing. Good. So, I'm going to loosen up the hip a little bit. Just drop and lift. Nice and slow. Good. All right, let's look at our posture. Try not to put the weight too much on the heels. Try to keep yourself centered on the arch of your feet. Breathe into your chest, expand. Relax your jaw, breathe out, but hold the expansion here. We're going to get some space in here. We need some space. You don't want to constrict it. All right. Let's get ready for our chest slide. Ready? To the right and left. Okay, we're going to go a bit faster. Ready? Hold your posture. Right, left. Bring your arms out. Keep going. Now lift and drop. Lift, drop. Okay, we're going to do a chest circle. So you're going to go right, lift, left, drop, and circle. We're going to do 4 slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a bit faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now 2 slow. 2 fast. 1 slow. And 2 fast. Slow and fast. Slow and quick. Quick. Slow and quick. Quick. Slow and quick. Quick. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow. Quick. Quick. Slow. Quick. Quick. Slow. Quick. Quick. Slow. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, 2 more, slow, quick, quick, and slow, quick, quick, good. Deep breath in up, you can walk around, roll the feet, ball to heel. If you see my feet here, but ball to heel, roll, ball to heel. And deep breath in up. I'm gonna go the other side. So same thing, we're gonna go left, up, right, and down. 4 slow chest circle. And 4 quicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2 slow. 2 quicks. Now 1 slow and 2 quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow, quick, quick, 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 slow. Good. Keep going. 2 more sets. Good, shake it out. Whew. Okay. Let's keep the chest shimmy, shoulder shimmies. Shoulder goes forward and back. The chest right here. It's very subtle. Nice. Relax. Keep going. We're gonna go shift the weight from one foot to the other. Now focus on just the right shoulder. Forward, back, and switch left. Forward, back, then forward and back. Just a little. And both alternate, right, left, right, left. Now, anytime you find any tension in the back here, just relax, do some shoulder rolls, breathe into your upper back. Okay, and then start again. Now, we're going to do the chest shimmy with the circle, which is our slow circle, and 2 quicks. Now, if it's too much, choose one. Whether you want to just do the chest shimmy or do the circles, okay? And then eventually blend them together. All right, so I'm going to go right, 1 slow, and then 2 quicks with the chest shimmy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow, quick circles, and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop the shoulder, drop. Drop. Good. Relax right here. Now bring your right arm across. Hold it close to your chest. Okay. Now I want you to just look over your right shoulder. Stretching that out. Switch over. Breathe into it. Look over your left shoulder. Breathe in all the way up. Breathe out and relax the hands and the arms, on the shoulder blades. Just relax here. Yes. And bring it down. Do that again. I want you to breathe in. Reach up and breathe out. Leave the arms and just kind of let it go on the shoulder blades. Just kind of sit there, okay? We kind of hold the energy up there, but we want to kind of let it sit on the shoulder blade. Just like a beautiful dress sitting on a hanger. So your arms are a beautiful dress. And release. We're going to do this again. We're going to do our shimmies. And again, you're going to have to choose or both. You can do both if you can. And then eventually, if you can't, focus on one. And then maybe just do like half a circle or slides. Be gentle to yourself. Again, we all have different levels. So again, you don't need to do a full circle. You could just do slides or just stay here, stop, and then do the circle. Okay. I'm going to start with the slow circle. And then a quick circle. And slow. Quick. Slow. Quick. Slow. Quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Again, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. One more time, slow, quick, quick. Now just a slide. Now let's say a happy smile. This is not slide. Lift up. Down and slide up. Soften your knees. All right, so now we're gonna go. So this is like a bottom half circle. Call it the smile. Into one full circle. So go right, left, right, over, left, right, left, up, over to the left, and then right, left, circle, left, right, circle all the way to the left. Now right, left, circle all the way up and over to the right, and then switch left, right, and circle. Left, right, and circle, right, left, circle, right, left, right, circle, left, right, left, circle, right, left, right, circle, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and up and over. Left, right, left to the left, and right, left, right to the right, and left, right, left to the left, and right, left, right to the right, and left, right, all the way to the left, and right, left, all full circle to the right, and 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again. Left, right, left to the left, and right, left, right to the right, and left, right, left to the left, and right, left, right to the right, and left, right, left to the left, and right, left, Keep going. Right, left, fall to the right, then left, right, circle to the left, then right, left, circle the right, and one more set. Woo! Shoulder roll. Now make those shoulder rolls pretty big because we're going to start doing shimmies. And again, be gentle to yourself. If you can't do both combined together, choose one and then try together. If it doesn't work, choose one again and try again. That's why we're here, to practice. Open up all of this and loosen up, but also be gentle to yourself. Love yourself every time you dance and practice. You're moving, you're expressing. It's energy, it's flowy. And so, because you're doing this for yourself, right there, it's inspiring. Okay? All right, I'm gonna add the shoulders. Shimmy. With the shoulder roll. Now you're gonna notice the breathing is gonna be a little bit deeper. Wonderful. Keep going. Whatever you're doing, you're moving. It'll be a shimmy and a shoulder roll combined, or just a shimmies. I love it. Four more. 3, 2, 1. Drop the shoulders. All right, little stretch. You did great. Bring your right arm again, cross over, look over. Now bring it all the way up and over. And I'm gonna lean to the left side. Hold that stretch. And bring it down. Switch arm. Breathe into your stretch. You did great. Fantastic. Look over. And bring that arm all the way up. Hold it here, breathe in, and then we're going to lean to the right side and hold it there. And bring it in and out. Ear to your right, chin down, relax here, and then all the way down, chin down, and up. To your left side, relax your jaw. You did it, fantastic. Look down, chin down, breathe behind the neck, just relax right here. One more stretch. We're gonna go over our right shoulder as far back as you can. And then we're gonna cross over to our left. And then we're gonna hold it here. I want you to give yourself a big hug. Lovely, you did it. Mwah. Love yourself. Okay? You have a wonderful day. Mwah.